You are about to discover my internal email marketing system I personally use in my business to generate high five figures per month from my email list. More importantly, the same exact email marketing system that I leverage to scale my business and consistently top affiliate leaderboards. And in the next couple of minutes, I'm going to reveal how you can leverage this exact genius system to extract stupid amounts of money, even from the tiniest lists. Hey, Kevin Faddy here. Right now, countless of digital entrepreneurs are pulling in the lion's shares of sales without any complicated ads, webinars, funnels. More importantly, without spending even a cent on ads. And yet, nearly every single day, their inbox looks something like this. And their phones are continuously making cash register sounds throughout the day as new sales keep rolling in, all because of one very simple yet extremely effective strategy. Without this strategy, my business wouldn't even exist today. Over the past 14 years, I've built multiple online businesses and brands that each clear high six figures per year in revenue. The reason I tell you this is not because I want to give a good reason to listen to what I'm about to say, but because none of that would even exist today if it wasn't for the strategy you're about to discover on this page. See, while most average marketers like to talk about all the fly-by-night fancy marketing trends and fads, techniques that work today but most likely won't work tomorrow. Ever since I started my first online business back in 2007, I was focusing solely on email marketing. Every single one of my businesses I've ever built, every single one of them was built on email marketing. So email marketing is something that a newbie marketer might call boring, but any marketer that's achieved any level of success will tell you there's nothing boring about being able to build a seven-figure empire solely on email while working a couple of hours per day. There's nothing boring about being able to build one thriving business after another with almost guaranteed success. See, a couple of years ago, a light bulb went off inside my head. After years of leveraging different email marketing strategies, techniques and methods taught by other marketers, I decided to do things a bit differently. I decided to do them my way. See, we all know that these days inbox is very crowded and a competitive space, and as an email marketer, one of your main priorities is to stand out from the crowd and demand attention. But most importantly, doing it in a way that your audience enjoys it and gets hooked on it. Because at the end of the day, that's only the real way to make your email marketing truly work like a money printing machine. And after running notorious tests, trying various different approaches in an effort to stand out from the crowd, be different, and make my content feel like a drug, I discovered and crafted an entirely unique email marketing system. The system created an increase in sales and customers who were begging me to take their money. But best of all, this system, it wasn't complicated or overwhelming system. It wasn't dependent on throwing 20 plus funnels against the wall to see what sticks. In fact, I believe with this system I finally have been able to unlock the holy grail of email marketing. So, if you have ever failed to consistently and reliably generate traffic and convert it to sales for your own business, or launched a marketing campaign only to watch it crash and burn a few days later, or felt like your email marketing campaigns aren't getting as much engagement as they should, and wish you could see the exact formula producing five-figure email marketing campaigns, then that's what I've put together for you. Introducing email marketing on fire. If you're tired of wasting your time and money on methods and strategies that never seem to work, today you'll be able to get your hands on a super powerful email marketing strategy that will allow you to get your audience hooked on your emails and get them craving to buy your stuff. Inside, you get access to a step-by-step video training that shows you everything I do to extract stupid amounts of money, even from the smallest of email lists, following my unique email marketing approach that has been proven to work over and over again. And when you get this now, I'm also going to include additional strategies, tools, and resources that will help you get the best possible results from your email marketing efforts. So here are just some of the things you'll discover inside Email Marketing on Fire. My unique internal marketing strategy I use to generate high five figures per month and consistently top affiliate leaderboards. Why this strategy is different than anything you've ever tried or seen before. And the simple steps to follow to unlock the secrets of email marketing to build a real lifestyle business you desire. Besides, I'm going to make this deal even sweeter by giving you access to some exclusive bonuses valued at over $361 in real market value for free when you get going right now. For a limited time, you can get your hands on Email Marketing on Fire at a massive discount. To lock in your discount, all you have to do is click the button below right now. Look, I've been building online businesses for over 14 years. I've seen and tested a lot of different email marketing strategies over the years, but nothing comes close to the strategy I laid out in this training. Seriously, I don't want to toot my own horn, but what I've put together here blows every other little email marketing tactic and strategy right out of the water. Just imagine being able to consistently generate thousands of dollars per month from a tiny email list. Extract stupid amounts of money even from tiny lists. Look, the email marketing on fire strategies are extremely powerful, and I honestly believed that they will finally help you get the results online that you truly desire. In fact, I'm so sure of it, I'm going to take away all the risk by giving you a full 14 days so that you can test the system for yourself. If for any reason you don't think the system is worth many times your investment, just send me an email and I'll give you a quick refund. Look, you know this works. I've shown you the results that this system generates. I've shown you the value. I've made it a no-brainer offer by giving you a no questions asked money back guarantee and added bonuses that are worth $361 in real market value. All that's left for you to do is click the buy now button below this video right now. Seriously, it's decision time. You're at the crossroads right now, and the way I see it, you really have two different options. Your first option is do nothing but close this page without getting access to the email marketing on fire and stay exactly where you are right now. But the only way that would make sense if you already have a massive email list, your conversions are great, you're making sales every single day of the week, you already have a thriving business and your bank account is flooded. And email marketing is not something you tend to worry about. If that's you, then you don't need email marketing on fire. Your business is already thriving. But if you're not the person I just described and building a business and making money using email is a drag for you, then you should seriously consider taking the second option. Just say yes right now. Click the button below before life gets in the way and get access to the exact email marketing system that is responsible for building a multi-seven-figure online business and generating millions of dollars in sales. But please don't wait. The price is going up at every sale, and if you wait and come back later, you'll end up paying way more for this money-making system. So click the button below now to lock in your copy, bonuses, and your discount while you still can.